Okay, we stopped here so I can show you what's going on. We got the German, he's down there waiting on us. We'll zoom in on him. Okay, he sits there, he knows we're coming, okay? Now Rocky, he knows what's going on too, see? He's in the mode to go play. So what we're gonna do, usually at this point, Rocky's off the leash, and Rocky goes just charging down there. He starts right about here. See, he's got his ears perked up. He is in patrol mode. Okay, so what I'm gonna do this time though, okay, here comes the German. He's starting to come. He sees us coming. Okay, I'm gonna let Rocky go right here, and he's gonna take off like a bullet, and he's gonna go talk to his German. See, there he goes. There he goes. We're having fun. All right, Rocky. Okay. That, ladies and gentlemen, that's called saying hi to the German. A lot of other dogs on the route here. Rocky doesn't kind of pay attention to those little yappers. That German's afraid. Watch him run away. He'll run away here in a sec. We usually see, there he goes. That German usually never barks at us. He usually runs and hides, and Rocky never bothers with him. There's only one other dog on the route he'll go and talk to, and he's usually not out. That's a black dog right over here. But usually, the German is one of the few we play with. Those little babies here, we're not going to bother with them. We'll just run by him. Okay, Rock. Come on. Rock. Come on. Come on, Rock. Come. Come on. Okay. All right. There's another dog. We won't bother with him because we know there's a rabbit up here. Or a squirrel. Yeah. Okay. He's gonna have to wait here a second because we're coming up to 12th Street and we gotta get on the leash. I got his collar on, but it's not turned on now. But he doesn't know that. So, this is where we stop. Get him on the leash. All right, Rocky, come. Hey, hey, Rock, come on. Okay, there he comes. Yeah, good come. Good come, Rocky. Okay, there's 12th Street right there. So we're gonna put him on the leash now. Hope you guys enjoyed the German.